Hey, so I'm going to do a really short review on this piece. I think it's from NECA. Yep, it is. It's not really a limited edition, but it's not easy to come by nowadays. It is a Facehugger bobblehead. I really like it. I got it for, I think, $30, which was more than what you used to go for, I think, but it's not that easy to come by, so I was like, no, $30. Since I love facehuggers, I figured I definitely have to get it. The thing I don't really like about this piece is that there is not much slime on it. I wish there was more slime, especially considering it just popped out of the egg. There's a bit of, gloss effect, so it looks a bit shiny, slimy, sorry, on the egg. I like the fact that they have this alien thingy over here, the stag. So that's how it looks like. You can see veins and stuff. This is how it looks like on the inside. So you can see the spring. It's pretty okay piece. One thing I do love is the base. I don't know if you can tell, but the base looks really slimy. It looks really cool. It looks exactly like in the movies where the piece of the egg is filled with this gooey and tentacly kind of stuff. I wish there could be a bit more detail here. Somehow I feel like, I don't know, it's not supposed to be that flat. But other than that, I'm really happy with this piece. Looks really creepy, kind of cute as well, with it bobbing like that. I think it will look pretty neat on a office desk. Definitely a conversation starter, I suppose. So I hope you guys like that. Must own for alien fans. So thanks for watching. Bye.